Hello and welcome to Techland. Today, I'll be showing you how to bring your picture to life.
Alright guys, welcome again to Techland. Yeah, today I'll be showing you how to bring your pictures to life just as the video you just watched. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to some websites. Just search for the ID, and click on enter, click on search. So the first one is going to bring out, just click on it. Okay, now you can see we are on the official website. Now, this website is not completely free and you can try it for free also, but it's limited into the edition. Now you just have to click on login. You can log in and register. Log in with your email also. Click on register. As you can see, I already have an account with them. Now what we're going to do is to create on create video. Now you can see we have various characters here. Various characters here, and you can also click on the add button here to import your own image you want to use, the picture which you want to use. As you can see, you can click on import and import the video from your folder. Now, when it comes to scripts, you can also type in whatever you want the character or the pictures to say. You can bring it out. You can bring it out live and it's very accurate. And on the other side, we have the audio. The picture which you selected, any picture you select, depending on your character you've chosen, you can also import your own voice. One of the amazing feature of this, you can also import your own voice. You can upload your own voice, as it says stated here. Create a realistic video by uploading your own voice. You can upload your own voice here. Just record and just upload it, and it will just say it out to you accurately. So now we're going to the script. So you can just type in. As you can see, it says I've visited the words which I am limited to 20 words preview limit exceeded. Now, for you to type more, you want the character to say more than the words there. You have to upgrade, and to upgrade, you have to pay. So it's not completely free. So as you can see, you can try this plan for 14 days, which is cost $0, and for the 10 minutes and 5.99, approximately $6. Now just go to the free video, just type. Okay, now just edit some things here. Let me just go to edit this, and you can just scroll down and select the language. You have a numerous language to select from, and select a character voice, Jenny, or any other one you want. Now, once you're done, you just click on you can just click on generate video. You can click on generate video, or you can listen to your audio.
Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today, I will be showing you how to create an avatar video with the
So don't just click on generate video and take you to your and to create it in less than a minute. Now, if you want to see a video, you have to go to the video library, and then this is the one I just created, and you can choose to share and download.
Hello and welcome to Techland. Today, I'll be showing you how to bring your picture to life.
Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. follow for more tips and updates. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell in case I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see. Thanks, guys.